everyone, my name is Berliana Dwi Kartika, and I would like to share my experience during my semester vacation in Bandung. A few weeks ago, I went to Bandung, specifically to Kawah Putih with my friends. I spent 2 days in Bandung. On the first day, we arrived at Bandung station at around 8 p.m. after a 4 journey. Then we dedicated to go straight to Braga for dinner because Braga we close to the station. After arriving in Braga, we tried bacang and batagor, which are Bandung special food, and they were very delicious. After that, we rode on odong-odong around Braga and it was so fun. Next, since it was already late, around 11 p.m., we went to our accommodation because we had a quite a lot of luggage. We dedicated to order Grab car. On the second day, in the morning, we looked for breakfast for near the station. My friend said there was a delicious food stall in that area. Wherever where we got there, the place was already closed. And we felt really disappointed. Then we dedicated to try mie kocok, which is our traditional Bandung dish. I noticed that mie kocok still were everywhere in Bandung. If I had to describe it, it tastes like Bandung version of Soto Bogor. At around 10 a.m., we rent a motorcycle not far from where had breakfast. Actually, we plan to visit either Kawah Putih or Sunan Ibu at dawn to see a sunrise. However, we had rented a motorcycle the night before, so we dedicate to go later in the day. We departed at around 11 a.m. And the journey took about 2 hours. At around 1 p.m., we finally arrived at Kawah Putih. There we met some university students who were also visiting Bandung for vacation, and we took photos together. There we both raincoat because we didn't bring any and had to endure the cold weather in Ciwidey. It was the funniest mistake we made actually. We had planned to cancel our visit because it was already too late, but in the end, we still went. When we arrived at the top, we took a picture at the entrance of Kawah Putih. At first, it was drizzling, so I kept praying that the view would be covered by fog. And lucky when we arrived, the fog wasn't blocking the amazing view of Kawah Putih. It was so beautiful. We continued taking picture and enjoyed the scenery. Uh, I feel in love at the first sight with Kawah Putih. Here are some photo and videos I take when Kawah Putih.
Masya Allah, indah banget guys. Ber, bagus banget. Ber, kamu mau foto nggak 10.000? 10.000.
Around 4 p.m., we went back down to eat and buy souvenir. Then at around 5 p.m., we returned to our accommodation to rest and dry ourselves because we got caught in the rain on the way back. At the 8 p.m., we went back to Braga for dinner and took picture at some iconic spot. After that, At around 10 p.m., we returned to the accommodation to sleep because we had to go back home the next day. On the last day in the morning, we went out to buy souvenir before going home. That was my short vacation in Kabo Putih with my friends. That's all for my story. Thank you. Bye.